said, I wasn't, you know, smoking or anything anymore, but I am drinking, which is no better. But hey, toast to being a nun, right? And y'all, I did have my ghetto McDonald's cup. Yeah. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sinful, and more. So stay tuned and, you know, hit that subscribe button. Okay, babes, this is the actual Spirit Halloween costume that I picked up from the Spirit Halloween or whatever. It is a Sinful sister. It includes the dress, the habit, the cross, the thigh-high socks, and this is the Book of the Holy Hammer that did not come with the costume, but you know, I bought it separately and I thought it'd be a good accessory with this costume. And the earrings that I'm totally wanting to wear with this costume is, you know, excuse my nose, y'all, they're still like ratchet or whatever. Haven't soaked them off. I've been like doing whatever. So these are the cross earrings that I'm trying to wear, or it will also be the black cross earrings. I'm not sure yet. And the brand is actually Jessica Simpson or something like that or whatever. I'm wanting to wear these, or I also have these black heels that I got from Forever 21 that are just regular. The costume being unpackaged. This is the dress and, you know, the holy necklace that came with the package, the package costume. And I really love about this dress is the side details with this, and it also has, you know, bell bottom sleeves with this, which is so beautiful, and the thigh-high socks right here, and then the headpiece to the costume. And I haven't unpackaged the book yet. I'm gonna actually unpackage the book when I get done with, you know, putting on the look. But this is what I am going to go ahead and put on, which is the Sinful sister, and I'm so excited, babes. I'm about to get started or whatever, but I have to show y'all my cute pajamas that, you know, I got from AliExpress or whatever. I actually like really love these. So I've actually been wanting to do this look, you know, ever since last year when I seen the costume, but I'm actually having time to, you know, do the costume look this year because I had the funds to actually buy the costume, which I'm so excited, and I can't wait to see how it actually, you know, going to come out and look. And I really hate that I'm actually having a lot of pimples all on this side, but I'm gonna go ahead and just like go ahead and do the makeup look and whatnot, because I guess I had heat bumps. It is still like hot in October, which is so crazy. It was raining, you know, thundering not too long ago, but it's still like all summery whatnot, which is so lame. I actually don't know what happened to one of my brushes that I used to put on my foundation with. I actually lost it the other day, and I don't know how, but I'm just going to use a regular brush, and hopefully it come out okay. I also think, you know, these braids are really going to be really cute with this look, because it's really going to be something different. It's not actual, you know, an actual wig that I always wear. I've actually been so tired of wearing wigs, y'all, like the lace fronts, because they always sweating and all this other type of stuff. Like, I've been excited, you know, just wearing the braids, you know, just doing my edges and being free or whatnot. And these braids is probably like a month or two old, but they really don't even look that bad. Like, they still in like good condition or whatever. Next is my lovely eyebrows. And I really don't have that much eyebrows, as y'all can tell. Like, oh, I had to pluck out some eyebrows up over here because I have like something hurting over here. Like, I don't even know what's hurting. I'm really just doing like a basic makeup look. I'm really going to use, you know, no eyeshadow in this look. Actually, I was thinking about black eyeshadow, all black, you know, all black this and that. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and do a cute basic look. Got bit by something. Like, I don't see anything on my eyebrow, but like, y'all, it is like hurting. It's like a little pain. Just gonna put mascara on them. And I will not be going like step by step, y'all. If you want to check out a step-by-step, you know, basic makeup tutorial, you can check out one of my basic makeup tutorials that I do have in, you know, my videos catalog or whatever. I also hope you babes are having a good month of, beginning of October. I'm trying my best to, have a good month, which I am going to have a good month because, I love spooky season. But, you know, um, going through breakups and all this other type of stuff is like so lame. But, once I get dressed, I feel like 110,000 times better about myself. I know all the rest of you baddies can, absolutely relate to that. I gotta get like some of the glue off of my eyelashes, y'all, because I'll just be wearing some basic eyelashes, like nothing too, crazy, exotic, like not for this costume. I still want to like look sweet and elegant, like have a sweet side to this sinful sister. Finally, my lashes are done. And I'm going to go ahead and add my bottom lashes, to give it, more of an exotic type of look or whatever. Something like that. Has to fix the other side of my eye, the bottom lash or whatever. But another ghetto shot o'clock for my McDonald's, orange hot C and my Hennessy. I really, stopped smoking. I stopped smoking Black and Milds back in like April, and then I stopped smoking actual marijuana back in like August, July-ish. I've been trying to be like more woman like, more feminine, not doing the smoking, and plus because of my health, just trying to make sure I'm at a better state, a better mind, which I am. Really don't want to mess up my edges. I'm just glad, this pimple is not giving me such a hard time like it was before. Like it was sticking out way more than this, like literally yesterday. And yesterday I had on makeup as well. It was just a regular look, I was just out running errands, and I also seen The Exorcist, which was a good movie, actually, like the whole story. But I'm not here to do any spoilers or nothing like that. This banana powder is about to be a mess. Hopefully I do not get it all over my cute skull pajamas, okay? Sad to say, but y'all, still turns out I'm still making a mess on my dang pajamas with this banana powder. I know I should have, like, I had on a robe, y'all, but I actually took the robe off because I got too hot. Going to add my blush. I gotta give it that glam, you know what I'm saying? Yes, ma'am. Beautiful highlighter. And just have to add, my mold that I already got, but I'm just gonna exaggerate it and make it, stand more out. I'm like hooked on the lip liner look, like y'all, seriously. Okay, babes, this is the actual look and how everything look. It is really cute with my braids, and I don't even know what to say, like literally. This is a necklace, and I have my book, and this is how it look, the whole dress. It's really, really fitted and so cute. Like, this costume is really, really worth it. Like, seriously, babes. Like, the book was, I believe, like $12 if I can remember. It is just a hard knock metal book, which is so cute. It's just like really for show, y'all, really for show. And then like this nun piece is really so cute. It is like extra, extra long, as you can tell. And I got my cross earrings. I picked the silver cross earrings to go with the silver cross necklace that actually came with the costume. And I think the costume was around $32 if I can remember, and it is so worth it. If you totally buy a costume from Spirit, y'all pick a good size that is a good size for you, because babes, it is totally worth it. And I'm like so excited. Let me show y'all the bottom. All right, babes, so this is the actual bottom. I gotta fix my thigh high socks. You know, my thighs are a little bit big or whatever, but I picked these cute shoes actually. The Jessica Simpson shoes, which actually goes so good with this, because in the costume she actually had some shoes kind of like, you know, just like this. As you can tell, I don't know if you really can see, babes, but you know, they're like the little church girl shoes. Really want to show you, babes, more of this look and how cute it actually is. It really shows, you know, all the curves and these cute, you know, heels. And, you know, the nun thing, super long. I really, really love it. It is just like, ooh. It is just like really sexy. I can say that, really sexy. It really feels like the curves. And it's very stretchable, you know, real cute and petite. I actually gotta go to the store and, you know, go pick up some edge control stuff. Excuse my braids, y'all. Being in, you know, character, and I'm also talking like this because I'm just in character or whatever, I guess you can say that. This thing is like bothering me. The nun hat, whatever it's called, habit, I don't know. And like my earrings, because it's a little tight or whatever, and everything is like velcro, and it's like so cute. But yeah, like I really hope you babes enjoyed this look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And y'all, I'm like going to be wearing this all day literally. Like, happy Halloween all this month. Happy Halloween.